Hey everyone! If you're looking to integrate lifelike AI voices into your own apps, scripts, or third-party tools, you're going to need your Elevenlabs API key. In 2026, the dashboard has been updated to make managing these keys easier and more secure. Today, I'm showing you the exact steps to find, create, and copy your API key on desktop. Let's get you connected. Step 1. Access the Developers menu. First, log into your account at elevenlabs.io. Look at the bottom left corner of the sidebar where your profile name and workspace settings are located. Click on My Workspace or your profile icon, and from the menu that pops up, select API Keys. This will take you directly to your API Management dashboard. Step 2. Create a new API key. Once you're on the API Keys page, you'll see any keys you've already created. To make a new one, click the Create API Key button. A window will appear asking for a name. I recommend naming it after your specific project, like My Video Script or Discord Bot, so you can track your character usage more easily later. Step 3. Set permissions, optional. In 2026, you can now restrict what each key can do. You can toggle permissions for text-to-speech, voice cloning, or voice generation. If you're just starting out, you can leave these as default, but setting a credit limit for the key is a great way to make sure your monthly quota doesn't get used up all at once by a single project. Step 4. Copy your API key. Finally, hit the Create button. A pop-up will appear showing your brand new API key. This is a secret code, so don't share it with anyone. Click the Copy icon next to the key to save it to your clipboard, and make sure to paste it into your application or a secure file immediately, because once you close this window, the full key will be hidden for your security. Now you're ready to power your projects with the world's most realistic AI voices. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.